Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can play Fortnite on our school laptop or Chromebook without even downloading it. So for that you need to search up for GeForce Now on your browser, and after that just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will lead you to. All you have to do is just click on join now and make sure that you join the free version of it. There is a free version available, so it is quite hassle free for you. And after joining the free account, then you will be able to search for Fortnite in the GeForce Now account and play it. It is actually a cloud gaming platform, and it allows you to play games on your browser without even downloading them. And the good thing about this is that you can play high-end games on low-end PC, and that's quite amazing about it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.